Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel Login Aid. Today in this video I am going to show you how to log in SquareUp account on PC. SquareUp is a financial services and digital payment company providing variety of services. To log into SquareUp account, you need to first open any web browser available on your PC. I am using Google Chrome. Now go to your search bar on the top and type in www.squareup.com, then press on enter. With this, here you'll be taken to official website of SquareUp. Now, click on sign in option on the top. Then here you'll be taken to sign in page. Now, you need to first enter the email address or phone number that you have used to register your Square account on the given box. If you haven't created your Square account, then you can click on sign up option. With this, click on next. After this, now here you need to enter your password of your account. If you don't remember your password, then click on Forgot Password and continue with the further process to revive your password. You can also change your email address by clicking on Change option near your email. After this, click on Sign In option. With that, you'll be logged into your SquareUp account and here you'll be taken to your dashboard. As you can see here, my account has been logged in. This is how we can log in SquareUp account on PC. This is it for tutorial everyone. Hope this tutorial was helpful to you all. If you like today's tutorial, make sure you like, share, subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.